Greetings, guys. This is Glinvest Media. I'm going to show you guys a new okay, it's not a new update, an update how to follow up on important events happening in the crypto space. I don't know if you've heard of CoinMarketCal. CoinMarketCal has been there for a long time. So these are for this video is for newbies or anybody that doesn't know how to follow up on events on the crypto space. You can do that through Twitter, following some pages on Twitter, but you can also follow CoinMarketCal specifically on Twitter. Yeah, just search them out on Twitter, CoinMarketCal, at CoinMarketCal. You follow them. They always have a snapshot of whatever that's going on every week on the crypto space. Specific events that be going on the crypto space. So I'm going to go to my browser and I'm going to search for okay, here it is, coinmarketcal.com, and you can see upcoming coinmarketcal.com current. You see cryptocurrency calendar. It is a cryptocurrency calendar, so you can see them. I exec Terra Luna Classic. Say vesting begins on 24th of November. So yeah, so you have band protocol, DXDAO Alliance block, Hyperon chain mainnet launch. They're launching on the 25th of November. Now you have with these icons around here, their importance, or will I say how popular the event is, and know whether to take advantage of it. So there are other websites too, but this video is specific for CoinMarketCal. I don't want to make this video so long. Well, I will show you the next update on next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and wait for more videos. Thank you very much, and God bless.